What if the school software you sell carried your name, not ours? With AfrikSabify, it does. Let me show you the portal that runs your whole business. This is your dashboard. In one glance, you see everything that matters. Your client schools, their subscriptions, and how your business is doing. Everything. One screen, the moment you log in. Here are your schools. Every client you run sits right here. And when you want a new one, you click Add New School, and a guided assistant walks you through it. The admin account, the plan, the school details, the branding, the levels, a few steps, and a new school is live. Now here's where it becomes truly yours. In branding settings, you drop in your logo, you pick your colors, and the whole interface repaints itself. Your schools log into your brand. They never see ours. You control the money side too. You set your own prices, you choose your own margin, and you watch exactly what you're owed build up over time. Your prices, your business. And when you're just starting out with no clients yet, you're not stuck. The AI goes and finds schools for you. It searches Google Maps, it searches LinkedIn, it searches the web, and it hands you a list to reach out to. So that's your portal, your brand, your clients, your pricing, without building the software yourself. Come build your own school software business with us. Join the reseller program at AfrikSabify.com.